All right, in this video today, we are going to show you how to replace the diffuser screw on the Voyager II gear drive. For this process, you're going to need the adjustment key, which came with the sprinkler. If you do not have this anymore, you can purchase these at our store or online. So the process is pretty simple. First thing you're going to want to do is just remove the cap here, and that will pull out both the cap and the housing. Then you can take this indoors because you're dealing with some small parts. You may not want to do this, around the lawn or anywhere that these small parts could fall into the grass, fall into the dirt, and get lost. So that can be very frustrating. So you can use this cap and just sort of press that down, and you'll notice that the diffuser screw is right here. And that's what it both diffuses the water and it holds the adjustment nozzles, the adjustable nozzles into the casing. So to use this sort of metal end here, it's got a hex key on it, and it will fit in there. You'll fill it seat, and you can just back this out. You'll see that the screw comes out along with it. Just keep turning that until it's out of there. And you can take the new screw. It starts right there. Maybe get it started on the end of this thing. As we put that on there, you actually don't need to hold that down. You can see that that's going down as well. And there you go, you're all set. So then you just put this back in the canister, screw that back down, and you're good to go. So that's how you replace that diffuser screw, pretty simple. If you do have any questions about this process, let us know in the comments below, and we would be happy to help you. Thanks.